SC Johnson is continually rethinking floor care as we know it today. Keeping a well-maintained floor can be a time-consuming, difficult task. That's why SC Johnson Professional developed Easy Care, the revolutionary floor care system that saves time and labor costs versus conventional floor maintenance processes. Easy Care is an integrated floor care system that requires no more than 4 coats to achieve a durable, high-gloss shine on a variety of substrates, and eliminates the need to conventionally strip the floor with corrosive chemicals. And unlike traditional stripping, the Easy Care coating remover can be used in an auto scrubber, helping to save time and labor costs. Once the system is installed, you never need to conventionally strip again. Discover the easy way to achieve a durable, high-gloss finish and eliminate the conventional stripping process.